Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 11 Vegetables that can help you get more vitamin C. Vegetables are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. Some of the best vegetable sources of vitamin C include red bell peppers, 142 mg per 3.5 ounces serving, green bell peppers, 99.5 mg per 3.5 ounces, broccoli, 91 mg per 3.5 ounces, Brussels sprouts, 143 mg per 3.5 ounces raw, tomatoes, 41.3 mg per 1 cup of grape tomatoes, red cabbage, 50.7 mg per 1 cup chopped. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C is 75 mg for women and 90 mg for men. Cooking can deplete vitamin C levels in vegetables, with steaming and microwaving being better methods than frying or roasting. It's best to get vitamin C from whole food sources like fruits and vegetables, rather than supplements, to benefit from the other nutrients they provide. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak